View your architectural drawings with different representation styles. Each type of these drawings can have its own visualization style. Customize your visualization style according to your preferences. Set the visualization style for both the sectioned and non-sectioned part for each object. Set how to view the sectioned parts of objects. Proceeding in the same way with the non-sectioned part. Customize viewing styles for other objects when necessary. Styles are updated automatically in all other architectural drawings based on a given style. Therefore, changes to styles are reflected upon all other architectural drawings where the same style is used.